To fix the issue of DoorDash not letting you place an order, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or slow connection can prevent the app from functioning correctly. So try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Next, check the DoorDash app for any updates, as an outdated version can cause issues with ordering. Open the App Store on your device, search for DoorDash, and install any available updates. If your app is up to date, try restarting the app or logging out and logging back in to refresh your session. This can resolve any temporary glitches or errors that may be preventing you from placing an order. Another common issue is related to payment methods. Ensure that your payment information is correct and up to date, and try removing and re-adding your payment method to see if this resolves the issue. Additionally, check the restaurant's availability and hours of operation, as some restaurants may not be available for delivery or pickup at certain times. You can do this by searching for the restaurant on the DoorDash app and checking their hours and availability. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try contacting DoorDash customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more specific guidance on how to fix the issue. It is also a good idea to check the DoorDash website for any known issues or outages in your area, as this can affect the app's functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue preventing you from placing an order on DoorDash.